Introduction. Modern society faces numerous challenges, such as environmental issues, economic disparities, social inequalities, and resource depletion. Many people are concerned about these problems and are searching for solutions. Among the notable responses to these challenges are the zeitgeist movement, the Venus Project, and a new economic model called a resource-based economy. These concepts propose solutions to modern societal issues, aiming to build a more sustainable and just society. This essay will provide a detailed explanation of these movements, their philosophies, and the future they envision. What is the zeitgeist movement? The zeitgeist movement, founded by Peter Joseph in 2008, aims to transform societal awareness and establish a new social system based on science and technology. The movement criticizes the modern financial and economic system and advocates for a resource-based economy. At the core of the zeitgeist movement is the belief in utilizing science and technology to meet human needs and pursue the well-being of society as a whole. The activities of the zeitgeist movement are diverse, including education, awareness campaigns, film production, and lectures. Particularly, the documentary film Zeitgeist, released in 2007, derived the movement's name and shocked many people. This film analyzes how financial systems, religion, and media influence society. What is the Venus Project? The Venus Project, established by Jacques Fresco and Roxanne Meadows, proposes specific plans to realize a sustainable society using science and technology. Central to this project is the implementation of a resource-based economy. Fresco proposed efficient and environmentally friendly social systems in all areas, including urban design, transportation systems, and energy systems. The Venus Project is named after Venus, a town in Florida. The project's goal is to create a living environment in harmony with nature and build a society where all humanity shares resources equally. Fresco's vision depicts a world where all people live equally, free from war, poverty, and environmental destruction. The concept of a resource-based economy. A resource-based economy refers to an economic system based on the physical resources of the earth rather than currency. This concept aims to efficiently manage resources using science and technology to meet the basic needs of all humanity. The fundamental principle of a resource-based economy is that the Earth's resources are the shared property of all humanity and that their optimal distribution will improve the overall welfare of society. The current economic system is based on capitalism, prioritizing profit. However, a resource-based economy prioritizes human happiness over profit. In this system, artificial intelligence and automation technologies are actively utilized to manage and distribute resources efficiently. This approach minimizes environmental impact while allowing all humanity to equally enjoy prosperity. The relationship between the Zeitgeist movement and the Venus Project. While both the Zeitgeist movement and the Venus Project aim to realize a resource-based economy, their approaches differ slightly. The Zeitgeist movement emphasizes societal awareness reform and education, advocating for fundamental reforms of financial and political systems. In contrast, the Venus Project focuses on specific urban design and technological solutions, demonstrating its vision through actual prototypes. Both share the common goal of creating a sustainable and just society. The Zeitgeist movement seeks to transform people's awareness through widespread enlightenment activities, while the Venus Project demonstrates the potential of new social systems through concrete design and practice. Criticisms and counterarguments. There are various criticisms of the Zeitgeist movement and the Venus Project. Some critics argue that these movements are unrealistic and that their ideals are overly optimistic. Additionally, the realization of a resource-based economy requires enormous funds and technology, raising questions about its feasibility. However, supporters of the Zeitgeist movement and the Venus Project emphasize the severity of the problems modern society faces and the need for fundamental change. They also point to examples where technological advances have made previously impossible things achievable, arguing that the realization of a resource-based economy is not necessarily unrealistic. Future prospects. The resource-based economy proposed by the Zeitgeist movement and the Venus Project has the potential to solve many of modern society's problems. However, its realization involves many challenges. First, societal awareness reform is necessary, requiring changes to the current economic and political systems. Additionally, numerous technological challenges exist, including the development of sustainable energy systems and efficient resource management systems. By overcoming these challenges, it becomes possible to realize a sustainable and just society. The Zeitgeist movement and the Venus Project influence many people by spreading their vision and promoting societal change. In the future, it is expected that the principles proposed by these movements will be more widely accepted and that concrete steps toward realization will progress. Conclusion. The Zeitgeist movement, the Venus Project, and the resource-based economy propose innovative solutions to many of the challenges facing modern society. These movements aim to realize a sustainable and just society using science and technology, and their philosophies have gained support from many people. However, realizing these goals involves many challenges, requiring societal awareness reform and technological advancement. Looking toward the future, it is essential to consider what each of us can do to realize the visions proposed by the Zeitgeist movement and the Venus Project, hoping for a day when these visions become a reality.